wreckage washing up all along the coast. No one seems to know too much, or who got hit the most. Nothing has been spoken. There's not a lot to see, but something has been broken. That's how it feels to me. We had a harmony I never meant to spoil. Now it's lying in the water like a slick of oil. The tide is running out to sea. Under a darkening sky, the night is falling down on me. And I'm thinking that I should head on home. Been gone too long. Leave my room. The beach calm. Little wild kitten out a hunting, see what he can get. You're in a big city now that won't stop growing yet.